little bit different. We're going to start Saturday and we're going to go to Sunday. Okay? First person on, and as I call your name, you'll come in and get your certificate for everybody that's under that same assignment. Okay? Ray Harrison Jr. Born on the 7th. Okay? Ken Davis.
Right here.
Joseph White.
Right here.
Stand over here.
Okay.
Alma. Kimberly Patrick. Lois Graham. Sherma Charles. Today we bestow upon the name of our brothers the name Kwame or Komi. This is for Saturday born. Okay, Ken? All right, and what it means is that in the spirit of the ancestors, in the name of the Most High, the fierce and the compassionate, was given the Akan Kraden soul name of Kwame, born on a Saturday. Kwame means wise one and master. So Joseph White, that's yours. Now for the ladies, we have Kimberly, Lois, and Sherma. Your new name is Amma. A-M-M-A. Born on a Saturday, wise woman like a wise man. Kimberly, Lois, wise woman. Sherma Charles, wise woman. Can we give a good old-fashioned?
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Oh, Dawn Mills. Dawn on the front.
Come on down, wise woman. Kill them before they grow.
And productive. Dawn Mills.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
It's Friday. Tracy Pearson.
Right here.
Okay.
We step back? Yeah, I was.
Okay, those you can now step back to this. Charlotte Hankins, Charlotte. Tiffany Coleman.
You can go. Good.
Did you do
Yeah.
Okay. Your names are Efua or Efia. Okay, born on a Friday. Diligent. Well, showers of blessings, you can't say.
All right, John Shulman is not here.
John Strowman is not here. John Holly.
John Holly.
John Holly.
You just left. Yeah. There go John right there.
Okay. Camilla Zion.
Right here.
Camilla Zion. There you are, sister, born on Thursday. Sharon Ann Smith. She's not here.
Waveney Charles. Waveney. Sister Waveney. Come on up, man. Sister Waveney. Rock on with your bad self. Tracy's not here either. Adrian Patrick.
Adrian Patrick.
Adrian is coming behind you.
Dienze Walker. Kweku. Dienze Walker.
Denzel Walker. Denzel not here. All right.
Ais Charles Kweku.
There's another Charles.
There's another Charles. Ais Charles Patterson Davis.
Easy. That's
Okay.
That's Tracy's son.
Okay. Michael Davis.
Michael
Davis. Shayna Brown.
Shayna, come get your certificate.
You are now known as Akua. You are the hero and messenger. Denise Muhammad.
Denise Muhammad.
Akua. Niece Muhammad,
Alright, hold the niece.
Dolores Heyman,
Nazura, yeah.
Let me give you the coat. A tour?
Dolores Heyman, Ronald Majid,
Right here.
Ronald,
there you go. Hakeem
that's your legal
Green,
name and the Akan name. That's what we're doing. I can modify something for you later.
So I
also.
could be Kamala, Kobe, all these people.
Bubba Brandon,
I got a lot of names in here.
Robina, Contrell Coleman,
Control.
Okumla, Bomani,
Bomani Dakari, right?
okay,
Is that my son?
yeah, Latasha Brown,
Little Bomani was behind you. Bomani, come get the certificate.
Abner, Devin Wright, okay, Ricky Bland, not here, Irvin Perry,
Irvin is not here.
not here, Rodney Noel Jr., okay, Quadro, calm and peaceful, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
You look calm.
Annie Green.
Annie Green, Stephanie Wright,
She wants you to hold it for her.
Edith Vanderpool,
But Sister Edith. There we go.
So you can use any one of those names.
Yes.
Same time.
Sultan Muhammad.
Anything you want to do.
They're not here.
Okay. Ray Harris Jr.
Ray is not here.
Okay, Charlotte Hankins and all right.
All right, perfect. So everybody got their certificate. Did anyone not get a certificate? Do you have one for Hakeem? Sash, you have one for Hakeem?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he's not here.
I know. I need some
Hakeem Muhammad. What's his name?
All right, excellent. So everybody got a certificate. So everyone that's run for cover, thank you very much for your energy. Show us the blessings.
First time we had it rain during the meeting.
Show us the blessings, family. And that's a beautiful naming ceremony, everybody. Got their day name based on if they were born in the Ashanti region. Yes, it is raining, family, and yes, we are still recording, still trying to get you a full footage up here. It's a beautiful day here at One Africa. Show us a blessing. Family, watch your step. And enjoy the rest of your night.